Hey guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with the new releases video for this week. These will be available on Friday. I do a 3-hour unlimited stock on most of the products. That is Friday at noon Eastern, and bows. These little bow sheets are just available for the weekend. I did go ahead and release my fall TN kit, which I did do a full setup as one of my last videos. I released that kit as well. That's also on the shop. That must be purchased by itself as a single item, one item order. So let's go ahead and get into the kits that are coming out this week and things like that. So let's start with the reformat this week. So I did do a reformat this week and it's an ultimate exclusive. I think most of the reformats I do are going to be ultimate exclusive just because I don't know the demand for them and things like that, and the production's already pretty tight with trying to release 4 every week. So I am doing a reformat of baby cakes. This was a very popular kit and I left the boxes the same because I feel like everyone really just loved these boxes. So you do your little munchkin freebie. The boxes are the same and then you just have the new format. I love the purple on the side. You have the glitter half boxes in these, the pattern washi with the fancy labels. Your ombre heart checklists have the marble, and then you have your deco here with your scribblers, the little chef hats, the weekend banners new, and then you have your extra full box, the little payday, the icons, these icons up here, squared off boxes, which you guys know I've been loving, and then you have the same bottom washi. So this was a very, very popular kit. It was probably one of the most ISO'd in our Facebook buy sell trade little section there. So I thought I would bring that back. A lot of people use this for Mother's Day, but I know a lot of other people used it just for anything, like a baking kit or just kind of marking things with the kiddos and such too. But it's not really full on kid vibes, you know what I mean? So there's that. That does have the option of 2 different glitter samplers. So you have the rose gold version, which I think I used rose gold, or I wanted to use rose gold, and then you also have the colorful glitters, which are so pretty. And then there's also an option if you want to add on the bows, and those are really pretty with the rose gold glitter clips. So that is the baby cakes kit. Then I have another ultimate exclusive, and this is the planner party kit. In past years, we've done an exclusive kit for the planner party where you couldn't get it later on, but usually it's so highly requested and we just kind of amped up the swag otherwise, and just did an ultimate kit that wasn't exclusive to the party but is exclusive art. So this is exclusive art to my shop, so you won't see this anywhere else. And I think this kit is such a cute anytime kit. It's everything that I ever wanted in a kit. There's marble, there's pink, there's gold glitter, there's shopping, there's Starbucks, there's everything that you can need. So you have your fashion girls in here, you have a storefront, different shopping things, purses, Starbucks, the whole jazz. Then you have some glitter and marble in the background of the checklist. You have a ton of deco over here, super, super pretty. You have the 2 girls, the different scribblers peeking out of little shopping bags, the marble and the glitter in the background of the weekend banner and those flags, the extra full box, the payday flag, the icons, the dots, the ombre hair checklist. I think I'm going to use this within the next month because it's just so pretty. Definitely, like I said, an anytime kit though. Super pretty. The glitter stroke around the half boxes, and then also the date covers and washi page. I'll probably, actually, I don't know what I'm going to use washi wise. There's a lot of really good options because I feel like you could do the gray polka dots, you could do pink, you could do white, you could do a marble Scribble Prints Co one. There are tons of options when it comes to that. So I do also have, oh no, did I forget to bring it up? Let me think. I don't remember where I put it. But there'll be a picture in the listing. So, but I'll talk about that last, I guess. So there is an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. There's also an option if you want to add on the fashion girls. And then there's also an option if you want to do the bows. We're also going to have journaling cards. So there are these ones were also included in the planner party swag, so it matches the kit and it's just a really pretty pink with a gold bow. And then there's also going to be the double-sided girl journaling card, which is just white with the 2 different girls on each one side, and then also the vinyl frap. Those are limited, so what I have is what I have. I don't have a ton of them left, but I am going to be putting those up, so those will be available on Friday at noon Eastern. Then we'll go into the non-exclusive kit this week. Is this the only, oh well, I guess the other one was a reformat. So This one is TWGR, and I thought it was really, really pretty. Again, it's an anytime kit, I think, but it leans a little bit more towards fall, winter, in my opinion. I think this would be a really pretty September, November, January, February, if you're really not into Valentine's Day kind of kit. Super pretty. I love the muted pinks. It's just really, really, really pretty. And the little accents of the like brighter pink. So you do have your little freebie there. I love this girl here. I think she's so cute. Then you have your extra girl here, which is super cute. I've been loving putting these in my spread. I think I've done it once or twice so far. It's so cute. These little scribblers here holding coffee cups. You have a glitter bow, a bunch of deco there. Your extra full box is another fashion flat lay. And then you have some really cool patterned boxes. And then I love these with the brick pattern in the background. Another really neutral one you can save. I love these colors. They remind me of... was it called Cozy something last year? Like these three. I don't think there was a gray with it, but these three remind me of that. Cozy Glitters maybe or something like that. And then there is the glitter strokes in there, which is just so cute. The glitter around the half boxes. I love these patterns. They're so like chic and fall, and I love it. You have the little things, your ombre heart checklist, and then this gorgeous, 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 gorgeous bottom washi. And I'm so pumped about this. I might actually just leave the bottom washi alone on this because that's how much I like it, which is totally wild. And I love those date covers with the this like taupey pink color. Very, very pretty. I love the colors in this collection. I just think they're so fun, nice, and fall, and like I said, winter, I feel like appropriate. Very into this scene. I think it's really cute. I love the door. I feel like this is a very realistic storefront, and I really like it. Then there's also an option if you want to do the mini kit. I think there's only 2 mini kits. Well, I'm doing 4 kits, so half of them have mini kits this week. So this is the freebie. Then you have the same full boxes page, the same deco page. This is the mini kit exclusive page. You have your weekly checklist and functional items page, and then also your bottom washi and then extra washi page. And this is the mini kit for, I don't even think I said the name of this. This is Soho Spree. That was such a cute name. Then for this, there's the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which is so pretty. Look at that. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the Fashion Girls. And I thought I had the bows here. They're somewhere. If not, you guys know there's bows, and I will put a picture of them. Oh, here they are. Found them. And then there's also bows here. These girls are so cute. I love the ombre hair on this one. That was so fun to do. So cute. So that is So Spree. I love the colors on the top. This is one of my favorite colors, I feel like. Top favorite colors. And then I do have an exclusive kit. This is a Halloween kit. And I was thinking up Halloween kit ideas with Jessica because she's been helping me write mood boards and things like that. And I was like, what about like a vampy sexy one? And I was just kind of like leaning on the like the vampy side. And I was like, what about that picture of Jaclyn Hill and John Hill last Halloween? They're no longer together, but I just thought that was a really cute picture. You guys can look it up. She had like a pink like wig on, but I really liked it. I thought it was a really cute picture, and I was just like, classic Halloween with the couple. I think it's so cute. So this is the Jaclyn kit, which I just thought was such a fitting name. I love Jaclyn. I think she's the best. But you have like kind of classic elements with the couple. I also did include in every mini and also every ultimate kit, you will have the extra couple, which if you get the ultimate kit, you could just make it like a fashion girl kit and nix the guy and just, or even if you wanted to do just the guy. If you want to do just the girl and then put in the quote box, you could completely nix the couple idea. Or you could even do like 2 of the girls, because I think these are really, really cool. But yeah, this was like their Halloween costume last year, and I just really loved it. And I was like, we need a kit that's kind of like inspired. So this is just also like a very classic Halloween looking kit. You got some like Halloween scribblers on here. You have a ghost, a butterfly, and then also a vampire, kind of some sneaks of some scribblers that'll be coming out. I really love these black icons. I think they're super fun. And then if you've got it, haunt it. The glitter and the strokes there, the glitter on the half boxes, your fancy labels and headers, your fancy labels and little things, your ombre art checklist, and then your bottom washi with the roses, which I really, really love the roses, if you couldn't tell. I'm a big fan of the roses. So like I said, these will automatically come in every kit, so you don't have to like purchase an extra couple or anything. And that means that in the ultimate kit, you will have, what is that, 11 full boxes to choose from for that. So that's an that's exclusive art, so that you'll only find this art at Scribble Prints Co. I have a couple more Halloween kits coming, but I think we're going to start rolling into like November here in a couple of weeks. We're planner girls. We like to plan ahead. So the mini kit also does come with the extra boxes, which that means the mini kit does come with 10 full boxes, which is amazing. Love the deco. It's so pretty, so dark, so cute. Love it, love it, love it. And that is the mini kit. And like I said, we do a 3-hour unlimited stock on new releases. Most of them, like I said, I don't have a lot of the vinyls left. I just kind of listed whatever I had left from the party making stuff. And then also the girl double-sided journaling cards. Those are limited as well. And then I also have glitter sampler if you want to add that on, and also the bows. I feel like these are going to be a really popular bow set because of the gray, the black, and then the kind of the vampy colors. Y'all seem to really like those whenever I pull those out around Halloween time, as far as like those colors go. We do have a foil release this week. I wanted to keep it kind of simple. I think Kirsten used these this week, or used like the silver ones or something like that. And these are just like full box overlays that just have the square on them. Super cute. So in our 3 foils, so pretty. Love these. Have been loving our foil. I have a lot of really cool ideas coming up soon, and I'm really excited to show you guys. And then last but not least, this is also a limited stock item. And I did do a pack last week, which I actually priced completely wrong. So some of you guys got 4 bows for the price of 1, like 200 of you guys. Until I realized, which I had a really bad day on Friday of last week. Like I was just not in the right headspace. So that happens, but it's okay. And I am going to do another bow pack. I think I might do a mini bow pack too, because you guys seem to really like the pack, and it's honestly like 100 times easier for order filling. So this one's is called the matte pack. So these are bigger ones. Well, like I guess the normal size. So this is the matte silver. Super pretty. And then this is the matte copper. And then this is the matte gold, which is more of like a champagne gold than a hot gold, but that's what I prefer. So that is the metal bow pack for this week. Like I said, these are limited. I think these are even more limited, I believe, than I don't have the paper that has my numbers on it. I think these are more limited than the last ones I did. Oh wait, let me see. Yeah, these are actually, there's like 100 less of these. So these actually might sell out depending on popularity, if I had to guess. So if you guys want those, I definitely log on at noon Eastern and pick those up. I think that's everything for this week. I'm trying to think of what else I was going to put up. I thought I was going to put up some sticky notes, but you guys will see if I put something else up. But those are all of the new releases for this week. I hope you guys like this video, and thank you guys so much again for all your support on the new site. It's been honestly a dream. My life has become easier because of it, and it's also become more fun to own the shop. Like, I don't know how to say it, but like I feel like I have a lot more control over the way my shop looks, the way my shop runs, the way that we communicate with people, and I really like it. And I just am glad that, you know, you guys all stuck around, and I'm very grateful for it. And I don't know, I've just been really happy with the new site, and way more happier than I've ever been with Etsy. And I just wanted to thank you guys again for supporting me and also following me to my new site. And there's so much more cool stuff to come, you guys. So much more cool stuff. So these will be up Friday noon Eastern. Don't forget to check out all of my fall TN stuff. I did a really awesome price on those, so those are going to be available in the shop. Well, they are available. And then I also did a video of the reveal of that, and also a TN setup. So that's everything for this week. I will have a lot of videos up. I have been putting them up more, and I filmed a bunch for you guys. And I'm excited to be back in my groove. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video.